Shubhamastu Bandhujan. So this is the video which says that what is the Sankalpa or what Vishwabandhu Diksha Sankalpa. What is Vishwabandhu Diksha Sankalpa? The first, it is having 6 points. The first point is I am a person of this name, belongs to this constellation and this star from today onwards, that is 4th of October 2020 till 108 days further. Get up early in the morning before sun rises and pray to the god sun or Surya Bhagavan. Pay the respects and give the arghya as Guruji told, and I will recite Surya Mantra. So this is the first point. So it will be a little tough for those who sleep till 9 or 10, but initially, but when they join a good company and every day practice may get them into line. The second point is till 108 days now onwards, or even further, in case if it is possible, I will not harm, I will not show cruelty or violence to any animal or anyone, physically or mentally, unless until if it is not harmful to my family or myself or to my country, and I will avoid bad words or foul language. This is the second point. Third point is I will always respect my parents, elders, and take care of them. And I will do my clear responsibilities without any hindrances, with determination, and I will always consider that working is worship, and I will continue like that. This is the third point. So all are easy, anyone can, all are doing the same thing, but repeatedly we are telling here. The fourth one is I'll always follow justful way, and I'll always respect, and I'll always uphold righteousness, dharma, and I always support righteous people, good people, innocent people, and justful people. I always stand for them. I will take care of my care. I will take care of myself and even other good people. So this is the fourth point. It's easy, isn't it now? The fifth point is I will look after everyone with love, compassion, and I will respect everyone, and I will see each and everyone as equal without discrimination. So this is the fifth point, an important point. And I will try to spread this Vishwa Bandhutva all over the globe, and I will stay as a Vishwa Bandhu. Fifth point, how beautiful it is. The last one is, it is our Vedic term. Not only I will follow dharma, artha and kama, but even I will look into moksha too. And I will live happily along with the family, and I will spread the happiness to even others also. And I will live for eternal peace and eternal prosperity. So this is the sixth point. So all the points are very easy. Only one thing is, I will not harm, or I will not take any. I will not harm any animal or etc. That may um, be a hindrance to few, but just think how great they are, who already are completely vegan, and it needs willpower. It is with you also. You too can try these 108 days. You will feel lot of happiness and lot of pleasure. Try and see what are the differences you are going to see in your life. All the best. Take care. Shubhamastu.